Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 30. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. And tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Go back and now select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select card, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.